Hey everyone, it's Blake, and I am back with another video and a pretty quick demo for you as far as demos go. We're going to be talking about D365 Customer Insights, aka what was formerly known as D365 Marketing. And the marketing component is specifically known as Customer Insights Journeys. I am in a demo that I stood up probably 10 minutes before recording this. I haven't really done anything in this space yet because I wanted to have a fresh install to show you guys a little bit about how Copilot works in Customer Insights Journeys. And the reason I wanted to do that is because I see over and over again on places like LinkedIn and in partner meetings, I see people saying, we want to get our hands on M365 Copilot. But in the meantime, while we are all waiting patiently for that, I like to tell people, hey, you know what? Copilot's already here. It's just in Dynamics in the Power Platform. So let's go ahead and give you a demo of the power of Copilot in Customer Insights Journeys. And the first way we can do that is actually under our segments. So if you're a marketer, you know that you like to have marketing segments. And I'm going to create a new segment. I obviously don't have any in here so far. And I need a target audience for my segment. And that's either going to be contacts or leads, same contacts or leads table that you'd have in D365 sales. So we have our Copilot logo right here, and this is our query assistant. And we can start to type in who we would like to target in that segment. So I could start to say contacts or customers, and it starts to fill some of this out for me automatically, but I can fill out whatever I want. So I might say contacts who live in Arizona who make less than $50,000 annually. And it's going to start to build that out here for me. So the query assistant's doing its thing right now. It's giving me an actual search string that I might want to use. I can thumbs up or thumbs down that. That's just kind of, as I would explain it, giving Copilot a little pat on the head or telling it bad dog. So I'm going to go ahead and hit use there. And as we see, it started to fill this out. Now, if I had a bunch of contacts or leads in here, well, in this case, specifically contacts, it would give me the number of members that would be in that based off of my search string. So super convenient. I have additional Copilot features over here, so I could start to think about this a little more if I wanted to build out this query or even build a new segment. So that is one of the first cool things you can do with Copilot in Customer Insights Journeys. The other one I'm going to show you is going to blow your mind. This is how you change hours into minutes at your business. So to do that, I'm actually switching from real-time journeys over into outbound marketing, right? Your very traditional email blasts, text blasts, all that kind of stuff. So here it is switching over, and I am going to go to marketing emails and let that load up. So we have a couple of templates obviously available to us in this demo. Perhaps you want to start one from scratch, as I'm going to do here by clicking on plus new. And it's going to take just a second here to load. Within this, you'll see I do have a gallery. These are just some templates to inspire you or help you get started. If you build out custom marketing templates for your organization, you can add those here. And of course, you can mark things as favorites if there are things you specifically work with. I could select these. I'm just going to skip this for now. It's the least important part of this demonstration. So the next thing you'll see here, you have this WYSIWYG design editor. The design language should look pretty similar to those of you who have used Power Automate, where you have the box, you hover down to the bottom, you have the plus to add another element or step, just like you would when you're building a Power Automate flow out. So I could drag and drop an image element here and add any image I want. As a matter of fact, I could add images from my marketing content library if you like to keep your branding language consistent across all of your email communications. But what's really cool here is, again, we have our Copilot feature. So I'm going to click over here on the Copilot logo on the right-hand side of my screen. And it's going to give me some content ideas right off the jump. So I have ideas for abandoned cart, event invitation, promotions, reactivations, referrals, and I can even build custom ones. I'm going to stick with abandoned cart for this one. As you know, you may add an item to a cart on an e-commerce site, and within 24 hours, generally, you'll be getting an email from that company saying, hey, did you forget something? So that's a good example of how we might use this. But if I click on abandoned cart, it's going to give me some inspiration already describing what my content is about. And I have examples here, and it's just showing me a couple of key points it's thought of. I can have up to 5. So it's telling me your items are still in your cart. Don't wait, it goes fast. Free shipping on orders over $50. And I could add another key point and say, act now. This will be out of stock next month, right? Maybe it's a seasonal promotion. So I'm actually adding that key point. These little bars tell me I've done a really great job. If I took some of this away, it would probably think I did a less great job. And then we need to choose our tone of voice. So engaged is the default right here, but I have adventurous all the way to luxury, which is going to help sort of describe that corporate voice and the type of communication you want to convey. For example, if you are an outdoor equipment company like some of the big brands out there, maybe you want your communication to be adventurous. However, maybe you represent a luxury brand and you would want to make your tone more luxurious. I'm just going to stick with engaged for the fun of it right now. And all I need to do now is hit get ideas. And this is where we turn hours into minutes. So within a few seconds here of hitting get ideas, we are going to get no less than 5 content ideas. And here we go. We are done. These are things that your marketer would have taken perhaps hours to think about and to proof. And we have done that here in mere seconds. As we see, we have a couple of different options. And if I hated any of those, I could hit get more ideas and it would generate more in the same amount of time. Again, I have my thumbs up, thumbs down. Again, it's sort of good dog, bad dog. But if I like one, I can actually add that to my draft. And I just click here and it's added to my draft. I can expand on that. And there we go. This is now a part of my marketing copy. It's a part of my email that I'm going to send out. We have strings, obviously, that we can fill in, such as company name, which would be your company name. When we are done with this, we can save, test send, and when we're ready, go live. So once again, we have turned hours into minutes using Copilot in D365 Customer Insights Journeys. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up. Please make sure you're following me as well on LinkedIn, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. If you'd like to see more examples like this, go to your favorite browser and type in dynamicspartners.transform.microsoft.com. In the center of your screen, click on AI Copilot and scroll all the way down. You'll find lots of examples, posts, and other things to help you understand the power of Copilot within Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform.